Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I'll tell you how to dropship AliExpress to Shopify. In the AliExpress application, search for products and items with good reviews, low prices, fast shipping and reliable sellers. And this basically will be the items that you resell. And also I highly recommend you to save the links of the products and also images, photos, because it will help you in the future in your Shopify. So basically in the Shopify, upload the photos of the products, write description for your item and set your price higher than what you will pay on AliExpress so that you can earn some profit. And when someone places an order in your shop, go back to AliExpress, make an order and enter your customer's name and shipping address at the checkout, and the seller on AliExpress will ship the product directly to your customer. And the best thing about it is that you don't need to hold any inventory, because that's basically how dropshipping works. And make sure that you provide your customer with tracking information and answer any questions as soon as possible. So that's basically it. I hope this video helps you, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.